Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world's most delectable dishes. Today, we're diving into the sweet and creamy world of Portuguese cuisine with the iconic Pasteis de Nata. But hold on tight because we've got some unknown facts that will make your taste buds tingle. Let's get started. First things first, let's take a moment to appreciate the sheer beauty of these golden, flaky pastries filled with a rich custard. Meet the Pasteis de Nata, the jewel of Portuguese desserts. Now, before we indulge in the deliciousness, let's explore some unknown facts about Pasteis de Nata. The origin of this delightful treat can be traced back to the ancient Geronimo's monastery in Lisbon. The recipe was initially created by Catholic monks who used egg whites to starch their clothes, leaving them with surplus egg yolks. The ingenious solution? Turn those yolks into a mouth-watering custard filling. Now, let's talk ingredients. Sure, we know Pasteis de Nata is made with love, but did you know the custard's secret weapon is a dash of cinnamon? It's this subtle spice that adds that extra layer of flavor and makes each bite unforgettable. Pasteis de Nata isn't just a pastry, it's a cultural phenomenon. In Portugal, enjoying these tarts with a sprinkle of powdered sugar and cinnamon is a daily ritual. Whether you're in a charming cafe in Lisbon or a local bakery in Porto, you're sure to find these golden delights almost everywhere. But here's the kicker. These custard tarts have gone global. Pasteis de Nata has gained international fame and has become a sweet sensation worldwide. You can find them in bakeries and cafes from London to New York, bringing a taste of Portugal to every corner of the globe. Now, let's demystify the baking process. Making Pasteis de Nata is an art form. From the delicate puff pastry layers to the creamy custard filling, every step requires precision and skill. And, of course, the finishing touch is that perfect caramelization on top. Now comes the best part, the tasting. I've got a fresh batch of Pasteis de Nata right here. The aroma is irresistible. Oh, wow! The flaky layers, the creamy custard, and that hint of cinnamon, it's a flavor explosion. Can you see why these tarts have captured the hearts of dessert lovers around the world? Did you know that the Queen of England herself is a fan of Pasteis de Nata? During a state visit to Portugal, Queen Elizabeth II tasted these custard tarts and was so enamored that she requested the recipe. The art of creating the perfect puff pastry for Pasteis de Nata is a closely guarded secret. Some bakeries in Portugal are said to have unique techniques and recipes that have been passed down through generations, making their pastries stand out from the rest. The love for Pasteis de Nata is so strong in Portugal that there are even annual festivals dedicated to these sweet treats. These festivals celebrate the craftsmanship of bakers and bring the community together to enjoy and appreciate the art of making and savoring Pasteis de Nata. While the classic Pasteis de Nata is undoubtedly divine, bakers around the world have put their own creative spin on the traditional recipe. You can find variations with added ingredients like chocolate, fruit, or even liqueur-infused custard for an extra flavorful experience. Some believe that consuming these custard tarts will bring good luck and prosperity. So, not only are you indulging in a delightful treat, but you might just be inviting a bit of good fortune into your life. In 2011, Portugal achieved a sweet victory by setting the Guinness World Record for the largest custard tart. The massive Pasteis de Nata weighed over 440 pounds, showcasing the nation's pride in its iconic dessert. The perfect Pasteis de Nata requires a touch of mathematical precision. The layers of the pastry dough are meticulously folded and rolled, often requiring dozens of layers for that ideal flakiness. It's a culinary art that blends science with tradition. Ever heard of spicy custard tarts? Some adventurous bakers in Portugal have taken Pasteis de Nata to the next level by infusing the custard with a hint of piri-piri, adding a subtle kick of heat. It's a surprising twist that challenges the taste buds in the most delightful way. Many bakeries that specialize in Pasteis de Nata still follow the traditional handcrafted approach. From rolling out the dough to delicately pouring the custard, the process often involves skilled hands and a keen eye for detail, preserving the artisanal quality of these pastries. While Pasteis de Nata is a star on its own, it's also incredibly versatile. In Portugal, it's not uncommon to see these custard tarts paired with a variety of accompaniments, from a dusting of coconut to a scoop of gelato, adding new dimensions to the classic flavor. Feeling inspired? Many passionate bakers worldwide have taken on the challenge of making Pasteis de Nata at home. It's a labor of love that allows them to recreate the magic of Portugal's iconic pastry in their own kitchens. Portugal celebrates Dia Nacional do Pastel de Nata, National Custard Tart Day, every year on July 6th. It's a day dedicated to honoring and indulging in the beloved Pasteis de Nata across the country. And there you have it, our journey into the world of Pasteis de Nata. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And, of course, let me know in the comments your favorite pastry or any fun food facts you'd like us to explore next. Until then, happy eating! Thanks for joining us our channel. See you in the next culinary adventure.